Here we are close to the Vietnamese border, a very small part of the Ho Chi Minh Trail. Soldiers probably walked down here during the war. Oh, lovely single track through the jungle here. Nice and cool, not too hot, we've got plenty of water. Just gotta watch out for the bamboo vines. Nice lovely tyres, should keep us in good stead. Lovely old forest. As long as there's tyre tracks in front, we know it's possible. A bit bumpy, but the stream is dry, so that's a good sign. Alright, the trail is closing in. Is this the right way? Look at that forest, beautiful. And of course the limestone karst mountains, which is such a terrain characteristic of the trail, provided plenty of caves and plenty of rocks to make the cobblestones, which were then laid down upon the trail to let the trucks get through. Oh, I do hate these ruts. There we go. Lovely. Lovely. Somebody. Oh. Passing a small village next to the Zang River, off to the left, before we head back into the forest, following the trail towards Bun Laboy Ford and Route 20, the main entrance from Vietnam into Laos via the Ho Chi Minh Trail. Here we go, look at this lovely old forest. Oh, you gotta love riding on this place. Look at this, yummy, oh. This probably looks quite normal on the camera, but it's quite steep. Let's just let the engine do the work. Out of the way, doggy. Lovely forest once again. Beautiful driving on the trail. Alright, get the right line, and up we go. Lovely. Down into the forest. Look at that. Lovely. It's a bit slower, I think. I don't know what. Lovely. Lovely forest.